Hello everyone, myself Ankush Haldakar. This course is based on regular inspection and monitoring. Regular inspection and monitoring. Regular inspection and monitoring are essential practices in various fields and industries to ensure safety, quality and compliance with regulations. These processes involve systematically checking, accessing and observing various aspects of a system, process or environment to detect issues, assess performance and make informed decisions. Here are some contexts in which regular inspections and monitoring are crucial. Manufacturing and production. Manufacturing and production. In manufacturing, products and processes needs to be inspected and monitored to ensure quality control and adherence to specifications. This includes inspecting raw materials, checking production lines, and monitoring equipment for maintenance needs. Regular inspections and monitoring are critical components of manufacturing and production processes. These practices are essential to ensure the quality of products, maintain operational efficiency, ensure worker safety, and comply with industry regulations. Here's a closer look at how regular inspection and monitoring are applied in manufacturing and production. Quality control. Regular inspections are conducted at various stages of the manufacturing processes to check for defects, deviation from specification and quality issues. This helps identify problems early and ensure that only high quality products reach customers. Raw material inspections. Manufacturers inspect incoming raw materials and components to ensure they meet quality standards and are free from defects or contaminants. Any substandard materials are rejected and quarantined. In process inspection. During manufacturing, operators and quality control personnel monitor production lines to ensure that each step is performed correctly. This includes checking machine settings, measuring dimensions, and conducting visual inspections. Final product inspection. Before products are packaged and shipped, a final inspection is carried out to verify that they meet all specifications and quality standards. This step helps catch and defect or deviations that may have occurred during the production processes. Quality assurance testings. Depending on the industry and product type, manufacturers may conduct specified quality tests such as stress testing, durability testing, or chemical analysis to ensure product reliability and performance. Process monitoring. Manufacturers use various sensors and monitoring systems to continuously track key process parameters such as temperature, pressure, flow rate, and speed. This real-time data helps ensure consistent product quality and process stability. Maintenance and equipment inspections. Regular inspections and maintenance of manufacturing equipment and machinery are essential to prevent breakdowns, reduce downtime, and ensure worker safety. Data analysis. Data collected through inspections and monitoring are analyzed to identify trends, patterns, and potential issues. That data-driven approach allows manufacturers to make data-informed decisions for process improvement and optimizations. Compliance and regulatory inspections. Many manufacturing industries are subjected to strict regulations and standards. Regular inspections are conducted to ensure compliance with safety, environmental, and quality regulations. Failure to comply can result in fines, legal issues, or product recalls. Employee safety. Manufacturing facilities also perform regular safety inspections to identify and mitigate potential hazards such as chemical spills, electrical issues, or ergonomic concerns to ensure the well-being of workers. Documentation and record keeping. Manufacturers maintain detailed records of inspections and monitoring activities. These records serve as evidence of compliance with regulations and help trace and address quality issues. Continuous improvement. Inspection and monitoring data are often used to quality improvement in activities such as Six Sigma or lean manufacturing, or to identify areas for improvement, reduce waste, and optimize processes. In manufacturing and production, the goals of regular inspection and monitoring is to maintain consistency, reduce defects, optimize processes, and deliver high quality products efficiently. These practices are essential for ensuring customer satisfaction, minimizing cost, and staying competitive in the market. Advanced technologies like automation, robotics, and data analysts play an increasingly significant role in enhancing the effectiveness of inspection and monitoring process in modern manufacturing environments. Environmental monitoring. Environmental agencies and organizations regularly monitor air and water quality, soil conditions, and wildlife populations to assess the health of ecosystem and impact of human activities. Environmental monitoring refers to the systematic collection, analysis, and the assessment of data related to the environment. It involves tracking various environmental parameters such as air quality, water quality, soil conditions, wildlife populations, and climate patterns to understand the state of the environment, detect changes or issues, and make informed decisions regarding conservation. Management and policy. Here are key aspects of environmental monitoring. Air quality monitoring. This involves measuring the concentration of pollutants such as particulate matter, gases, example nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and volatile organic compounds in the atmosphere. Air quality monitoring stations are often strategically placed in urban areas, near industrial sites, and in natural areas to assess air pollution levels. Water quality monitoring. Water quality. Water quality monitoring assesses the physical, chemical, and biological characteristics of water bodies such as rivers, lakes, streams, and oceans. Parameters measured include pH, temperature, turbidity, dissolved oxygen, nutrient levels, and the presence of contaminants like heavy metals and pathogens. Soil monitoring. Monitoring soil conditions is crucial for agricultural and environmental purposes. It involves accessing soil properties like pH, moisture content, nutrient level, and the presence of contaminants including pesticides and heavy metals. Climate monitoring. Climate monitoring tracks long-term weather patterns, temperature trends, precipitation levels, and the occurrence of extreme weather events. This data is essential for understanding climate change and its impact on ecosystems. Wildlife and biodiversity monitoring. Conservationists and biologists monitor wildlife populations, migration patterns, and habitat health to track changes in biodiversity and inform conservation efforts. This includes tracking endangered species and assessing the impact of human activities on ecosystems. Oceans and marine monitoring. This involves monitoring the health of oceans and marine ecosystems, including the assessment of water quality, the tracking of marine species, and the measurement of sea level rise. Monitoring helps protect marine life and inform fisheries management. Remote sensing. Satellites and remote sensors are used to collect data on a large scale and monitor changes in land cover, deforestation, urban expansion, and other environmental trends. Remote sensing also plays a crucial role in disaster monitoring and management. Waste management and pollution control. Industries and municipalities monitor waste disposal practices, including hazardous waste, to ensure compliance with environmental regulations and minimize the impact of pollutants on the environment. Natural disaster monitoring. Monitoring seismic activities, volcanoes, and weather patterns help predict and respond to natural disasters such as earthquakes, tsunamis, volcanic eruptions, hurricanes, and floods. Data analysis and reporting. Collected data is analyzed, processed, and often made accessible to the public through environmental agencies and organizations. This information is used to assess trends, develop policies, and communicate environmental conditions to the public. Regulatory compliance. Environmental monitoring is often required by the government agencies to ensure compliance with environmental laws and regulations. Non-compliance can result in fines or legal action. Advances in technology, including sensors, drones, and data analytics, have improved the accuracy and efficiency of environmental monitoring, enabling better decision making in the face of complex environmental challenges, including climatic change and the habitat loss. Environmental monitoring is essential for assessing the health of ecosystems, protecting human health, and guidance sustainability resource management. Healthcare. Healthcare professionals regularly monitor patients' vital signs, laboratory results, and medical equipment to provide timely and effective care. Hospital facilities and equipments also undergo regular inspections for safety and compliance. Construction and infrastructure. Construction and infrastructure during and after construction projects regularly inspection of buildings, bridges, roads, and other infrastructure are performed to ensure structural integrity and safety. Regular inspections and monitoring are crucial in the construction and infrastructure sector to ensure the safety, quality, and durability of building, bridges, roads, and other structures. These practices help identify potential issues, ensuring compliance with regulations and facilitate time, maintenance, and repairs. Here's breakdown of how regularly inspection and monitoring are applied in construction and infrastructure. Construction site inspections. During the construction phase, regular site inspections are conducted to ensure that the work adheres to approved plans and specifications. Inspectors check for proper construction techniques, materials, and safety measures. They are also very compliance with building codes and permits. Quality control inspections. Quality control inspectors monitor the quality of materials used in constructions, including concrete, steel, and other building components. They perform tests and inspections to ensure that materials meet the required standards and specifications. Safety inspections. Safety inspections are conducted regularly to identify and mitigate potential hazards on construction sites. This includes checking for proper safety equipment, fall protection measures, electrical safety, and health administration (OSHA) regulations. Structural inspections. Engineers and inspectors regularly examine the structural integrity of building and bridges under construction. These assesses the alignment foundations and load-bearing components to ensure they meet design standards and can safely support the intended loads. Concrete and material testing. Concrete strength testings, soil compaction testings, and other materials tests are conducted to verify that the construction materials meet the specified requirements and can withstand expected loads and environmental conditions. Geotechnical monitoring. In areas prone to soil instability, geotechnical monitoring is essential. These involves measuring soil settlement, groundwater levels, and slope stability to ensure that the site geological conditions are stable throughout construction. Environmental compliance. Construction projects often have environmental impact assessment and mitigation measures in place. Regular monitoring ensures compliance with environmental regulations and helps prevent adverse effects on ecosystem, water bodies and air quality. Utility and infrastructure inspections. Infrastructure components such as water supply system, sewage system, electrical grids and transportation networks undergo regular inspections to detect leaks, corrosions and other issues that could disrupt services or pose safety risks. Bridge and road inspections. Regular inspection of bridges and roads are essential to identify signs of wear and deteriorations. This information is used to prioritize maintenance and repairs, ensuring safety and extending lifespans of these assets. Post-construction inspections. After construction is complete, structure may undergo final inspections to verify that they meet design specifications and safety standards. These inspections are often required before building can be occupied or infrastructure can be opened to the public. Maintenance planning. Inspection data is used to develop maintenance schedules and plans for infrastructure. Regular maintenance helps prevent costly repairs and ensures the continued safe and efficient operation of facilities. Documentations and reporting. Inspections, finding data and reports are documented and shared with relevant stakeholders, including project managers, regulatory authorities and property owners. Regular inspection and monitoring are essential to prevent accidents, extend the lifespan of structure and ensure that the construction projects meet safety and quality standards. They also play a critical role in minimizing disruption and cost associated with emergency repairs and renovations. Advanced technologies such as drones, sensors, and digital documentation tools are increasingly being used to enhance the efficiency and accuracy of inspection and monitoring process in construction and infrastructure management. Food safety. Food production facilities conduct regular inspections and monitoring to ensure the safety of food products and compliance with hygiene and sanitation standards. Transportation. Transportation such as airlines, railways and other transportation providers carries out routine inspections of vehicles, tracks and equipment to ensure passenger safety and prevent accidents. Regular inspections and monitoring in the transportation sector are essential to ensure the safety, efficiency and reliability of transportation networks, vehicles and infrastructure. These practices help identify and address potential issues, maintaining compliance with regulations and enhance overall transportation system performance. Here's how regular inspection and monitoring are applied in transportation. Vehicle inspections. Regular inspection of vehicles including cars, trucks, buses, trains and aircrafts are conducted to ensure they are in proper working conditions. This includes checking mechanical systems, brakes, tires, lighting and safety equipment. For commercial vehicles such as trucks and buses, inspections may be required at specific intervals such as an annual safety inspections. Road and bridge inspections. Transportation agencies regularly inspect roads, highways, bridges, tunnels and other infrastructure to identify signs of wear, deterioration and structural damage. These inspections help prioritize maintenance and repair to ensure safety and minimize disruptions. Railroad track signal inspections. Rail operators regularly inspect tracks, switches, and signals to ensure safe and efficient rail transportation. Track inspections help identifying defects, while signal inspection ensure proper communication and safety at rail crossing. Airport inspections. Airport undergo routine inspection to ensure runways, taxiways, and other infrastructure are in good condition. Inspections also cover safety features like runway lengthening and navigation aids. Maritime inspections. Ports and harbors conduct regular inspection of maritime infrastructure, including docks, piers, and navigational aids. Vessels are also inspected for safety and compliance with maritime regulations. Public transit inspections. Public transit systems, including buses and subways, are subjected to regular inspections to ensure the safety and reliability of services. Inspections cover vehicle maintenance, tracks, stations, and signaling systems. Safety audits. Regulatory agencies and transportation operators conduct safety audits to assess compliance with safety regulations and industry standards. These audits help identify and address potential safety hazards and risks. Environmental compliance. Transportation projects and operations often have environmental permits and requirements. Regular monitoring ensures compliance with environmental regulations such as emission standards and noise levels. Traffic management and control. Traffic monitoring systems, including cameras and sensors, are used to monitor traffic flow, congestions, and incidents in real time. This data helps transportation agencies manage traffic and respond to emergencies. Public transportation usage. Public transportation agencies monitor ridership and passenger behavior to adjust schedules, routes, and services to meet changing demand and improve efficiency. Security inspections. Airport, train stations, and other transportation hubs undergo security inspections to assess vulnerabilities and ensure compliance with security protocols. Data analysis and planning. Data collected through inspections and monitoring activities are analyzed to identify trends, plans for future transportation needs, and improve infrastructure and services. Compliance reporting. Inspection and monitoring findings along with compliance reports are often submitted to regulatory authorities to demonstrate adherence to safety and operational standards. Regular inspections and monitoring are critical to prevent accident, ensuring the reliability of transportation systems, and complying with safety and environmental regulations. These practices contribute to the overall safety and efficiency of transportation networks and help address emerging challenges such as traffic congestion, infrastructure maintenance, and environmental sustainability. Advanced technologies, including sensors, cameras, and data analytics, are increasingly used to enhance the accuracy and effectiveness of transportation, inspection, and monitoring processes. Energy and utilities. Energy and utilities, power plants, pipelines, and utility systems are subjected to regular inspections to prevent failures, ensure operational efficiency, and maintain safety. Financial audit. Financial audits, business and organization undergo regular finance audits to verify their financial statements and ensure compliance with accounting standards and regulations. Information technology. Information technology, that is IT systems and networks, are continuously monitored for security threats, performance issues, and potential vulnerabilities. Regular inspection and monitoring are essential components of information technology management and cybersecurity practices. They help ensure the security, performance, and reliability of IT systems and networks. Here's how regular inspection and monitoring are applied in the field of information technology. Network monitoring. IT professionals use network monitoring tools to continuously monitor network traffic, performance, and availability. These includes tracking bandwidth usage, identifying bottlenecks, and detecting usual or suspicious network activity that could indicate a security breach or performance issue. Server monitoring. Servers are monitored to ensure they are running efficiently and to detect potential hardware or software problems. Matrices like CPU usage, memory utilization, disk space, and server uptime and continuously monitored. Application Performance Monitoring (APM). APM tools are used to monitor the performance of software applications. They track response times, errors, resources utilization, helping IT teams identify and address performance bottlenecks or issues that affect the user experience. Security Monitoring and Incident Response. Security Information and Event Management (SIEM) systems are employed to monitor for security threats and incidents. These systems collect and analyze logs and events for various sources such as firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and antivirus software to identify potential security breaches. Regularly, security audits and vulnerabilities assessments are conducted to proactively identify and mitigate security risks. Patch management. IT teams regularly monitor for software and firmware updates and patches. They assess the impact of these updates on the organization systems, test them in a controlled environment, and then deploy them to address security vulnerabilities and maintain system stability. Backup and recovery monitoring. Backup systems are monitored to ensure that the backups are performed successfully and on schedule. Monitoring helps verify data integrity and the ability to recover data in case of system failures or data loss incidents. Endpoint monitoring. Endpoint security solutions are used to monitor and manage the security of individual devices, example laptops, desktops, mobile devices connected to the network. They help ensure that devices are up to date with security patches, have updated antivirus definitions, and comply with security policies. Cloud monitoring. As more organizations adopt cloud services, monitoring cloud-based infrastructure and services become critical. Cloud monitoring tools track the performance and availability of cloud resources, helping organizations optimize their cloud usage and ensure service reliability. Compliance monitoring. IT teams regularly assess whether their systems and processes comply with industry standards, regulations, example GDPR, HIPAA, and international policies. Compliance audits help identify gaps and potential risks. Environmental monitoring. Data centers and server rooms require environmental monitoring for factors like temperature, humidity, and power usage. This ensures the optimal conditions for hardware and helps prevent overheating and equipment failures. User activity monitoring. Organization may monitor user activity on their network and system to detect unauthorized or suspicious behavior. This can include monitoring file access, user logins, and data transfers. Log management. Log from various IT components are collected, stored, and analyzed for troubleshooting, security incidents, investigations, and compliance purposes. Capacity planning. Monitoring helps IT professionals assess the capacity and performance of IT resources, enabling them to plan for future growth and allocate resources efficiently. Regular inspection and monitoring in IT are critical for identifying and resolving issues, proactively optimizing performances, ensuring security, and maintaining compliance. Automation and advanced analytics are increasingly used to enhance the effectiveness of IT monitoring and to quickly identify anomalies or deviations from normal behavior. Occupational health and safety. Occupational health and safety. Employers conduct regular workplaces inspection to identify and mitigate hazards, prompt a safe working environment, and comply with health and safety regulations. Environmental compliance. Industries that generate waste or emissions regularly monitor and inspect their operations to ensure compliance with environmental regulations. Government oversights. Government oversights. Government agencies may conduct regular inspections and monitoring of business, public facilities, and other entities to enforce laws and regulations. Government oversight involves regularly inspection and monitoring activities carried out by government agencies or regulatory bodies to ensure compliance with laws, regulations, and standards. The oversight spans various sectors and industries, and its primary goal is to protect the public interest, prompt safety, maintain transparency, and enforce legal and ethical standards. Here are some key aspects of government sites through regular inspection and monitoring. Safety and quality assurance. Government agencies oversee industries such as healthcare, food production, pharmaceuticals, aviation, and transportation to ensure that products and services meet safety and quality standards. Regularly, inspections are conducted to verify compliance and identify potential risks. Financial oversight. Regulatory bodies oversee financial institutions, including banks, credit unions, and invest firms to ensure financial stability and protect consumers. Inspection may focus on adherence to financial regulations and risk management practices. Consumer protection. Consumer protection agencies inspect products, services, and business to ensure that consumers are treated fairly and that product meets safety and quality standards. This oversight covers like consumer goods, telecommunications, and utilities. Labor standards. Government agencies enforce labor laws and worker safety regulations by inspecting workplaces for compliance. Inspections focus on occupational health and safety, fair labor practices, and adherence to minimum wage and working hour regulations. Construction and building codes. Building departments inspect construction sites and buildings to verify compliance with building codes and safety regulations. Regular inspections are essential to ensure the structural integrity and safety of buildings. Regulatory compliances. Business and organization in various industries are subjected to inspection and audit to ensure compliance with regulations, tax codes, and reporting requirements. Audit and investigations. Government auditors, investigators may examine financial records, contracts, and operation of government agencies to detect fraud, waste, or abuse of public resources. Conclusion. Regular inspection and monitoring help prevent accidents, maintain quality, and ensure compliance with standards and regulations. They also provide valuable data for making informed decisions, improving processes, and addressing issues proactively. Advances in technologies have led to the development of tools and systems that automate and enhance the monitoring and inspection processes in many fields, making them more efficiently and accurate. Thank you and have a nice day.